So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Damn right.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Alright guys, let me walk you through my twin turbo 7-litre Hoonaroo. As you can see, it's got a 7-litre dry sump V8 in it, as well as a top of the line Borg Warner twin turbo setup. Again, you can see money is no object in this build. The builder and the person who the car was built for, that's me, are incredibly impressed with the level of professionalism, precision, and technology that has gone into this build. This button is a trans brake button. It's supposed to help do fucking sick burnouts or get a really good launch off the line. Can't wait to put this thing to use. Follow me inside. We'll have a look at the Haltech and the amazing work on the dash and interior. The brand new mag wheels, the awesome brakes, all of this can be seen. Again, there is no standard like the standard that has been put into this build. Only the finest, wackiest wiring was installed in this car. You cannot believe how professional and top-notch and of the highest standard this wiring job actually is. This build is a $90,000 tribute to one of the greatest people to ever do it, Mr. Ken Block, and I can honestly say without any hesitation that this is definitely something he'd be proud of.